If you use face powder, you might want to listen up to this wild history. What's truly incredible is the first evidence for a face powder we have is from ancient Egypt, and it is something you definitely wouldn't want to use today. Chemical analysis of these ancient face powders have revealed that there were lead fibers within it. Today, we know lead is not very good for you, and it only heightens the problem when you have it in powder form that you can breathe in. But it turns out lead was super common. We have evidence from ancient Rome, Greece, and China that it was used in their face powders too. But what might shock you is 3,000 years later, humans were still using it in their face products. Think of how many people got sick from beauty. During the European Middle Ages, beauty standards required women to appear white, fair, and quite frankly, ghostly. And this was in a time when many diseases often affecting the face and skin were incredibly prevalent, which heightened the use of face powder, with people trying to cover their blemishes by piling more on. One person who literally lived and died via her face powder was Queen Elizabeth I. She was well known for generously applying powder to try and hide her smallpox scars. Even today, the leading theory of her cause of death was lead poisoning from her cosmetic use. What truly shocked me is that it wasn't until 1938 that an act was passed to regulate what was going in cosmetics to prevent long-term health effects. This includes banning lead. If you want to learn even more about this incredible history, you can listen to episode 29 of Go Ask Alice podcast anywhere you get your podcasts.